Hi, I'm Bobby with Net Gain Real Estate. If you are a homeowner that would love to save money on a home renovation, start in on flipping houses, and or want to learn to be your own general contractor and save 20 to 30%, then you are in the right place. I have over 30 years of experience in all facets of real estate, from loan originations, financing, renovating, rehab, and even new construction. I also know a fair amount about the buying and the selling process for homes and investment properties. I have loved real estate and rehabbing since I was a kid in the country trying to fix up an abandoned log cabin in the woods out back of our neighborhood. At NetGain Real Estate, we help homeowners like yourself learn how to be their own general contractor, cut out the middleman, and pocket the difference. What would you do with an additional $10,000 or $30,000? We look forward to learning more about your projects, and if you think we can help, please shoot us a DM and let's talk.